Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to introduce you with our brand new app Extreme Domain, which allows you to sell domains just like GoDaddy, Namecheap and so many other platforms without ever owning these domains. Now, the cool thing about Extreme Domain is that upon your registration, you are going to get your very own fully fledged cloud app. Ending on which domain name you have picked, you should get something like this: yourdomain.extremedomain.site, all with SSL and everything ready to go. This is how the page should look like. Now look over the main page before we dive into your admin area. From here, your customer can find their business name using AI. Then they can generate the domain for their business name. Also, they can search the domain from here. Then they can see who is information of any domain. They can use reverse IP lookup. Then they can see the domain location. Also, they can use the DNS lookup feature. Let me show you how. If someone wants to find a business name for their online business, they just need to put here the keyword and click on get names. The system will generate name for their business. They just need to pick one of the names from here. Now they can generate domain for their business. Just go to the domain generator, enter the business name here and click on generate. And these are the domains available for this business name. They can buy any of them from here. Now let's go to the who is information section. They can see the information from here. They just need to put here the domain name. And click on get who is. And this is how they can see the who is information. Also, they can use the reverse IP lookup. They just need to enter the IP address here and click on lookup. Then go to the domain location. They can see the domain location from here. Just need to put here the domain name. Click on get location and they will see the domain location from here. Also, they can see the DNS lookup. Just need to put here the domain name and click on query DNS. They will see the domain DNS information. Now let's dive into the admin area. This is the login page of the admin area. You need to log in with your email ID and password. Then just click on login now. So from the admin area, you can modify your Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable. You will have full control over your site and you can customize everything from the admin area. Like you can set up the general settings from here. You can change the logo, you can change the favicon, you can change your website title, footer. Then you can add custom HTML. And from the SEO settings, you can configure the SEO settings for your website. Then from the tools section, you can enable the different tools on your website or you can disable them. Then from the ad spots, you can configure the ads for the predefined ad spots on your website. From the additional asset, you can add additional CSS or JavaScript in your website. From the contact settings, you can modify the contact page settings of your website. Like here is the contact us page. You can modify it from the contact settings section. And from the API settings, you can edit the API keys for Google reCAPTCHA and exchange rate API. Then from the currency settings, you can active or deactive currency selection from here. You can enable or disable currency from here. Also, you can make default currency for your website. And from the features and FAQ, you can add or remove features and FAQ from your website. Like here the FAQs, here the features of your website. Then from the header and footer links section, you can add or remove links from the header and footer of your website. You can customize your header and footer links from the admin area. Then from the TLD settings, you can configure how TLDs behave on your website. Like you can show recent searches page on header and footer. You can select it from here. You can enable or disable the appearance of price on domain search. And the most important part is that you need to modify the affiliate link for all TLDs add-ons, and you need to put here your name silo affiliate link. So whenever someone purchases a domain, you will get the commission. And then from the manage TLDs section, you can see the list of all TLDs on your website. You can enable the domain extensions from here. You can disable them. Also, you can edit them or delete them. Then from the active TLDs order, you can see here the list of the active TLDs on your website. You can make any of the extensions as the main extension of your website from here. Then from the domain generator section, you can add, remove or update the TLDs for the domain generator. And from the Whois suggestions section, you can add, remove or update the suggestions for the Whois information tool. Then from the pages section, you can add pages to your website. Like this one, this is the home page, and if you want to add more pages, then just need to click on add page, and you need to put here the page details, then just click on submit, and your page will be added to your website. And to destroy the cache, you just need to click on destroy cache. It will destroy the cache from your Extreme Domain site. This is how you can use Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable from the admin area. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.